really the start of the student design competition at WEF, which I believe was 2002. So we've had teams participate in the WEF design competition since then. And really it was, we'd always have 2-3 teams up until we created the Global Water Stewardship category and started putting out problem statements for that. And that was back in 2010. When we did that, we went from 2 to 3 teams a year that was competing at the regional level to what's now almost 17, 18 teams that we get competing regionally, including international teams from Costa Rica, Mexico, and now regional teams in the Midwest Student Design Competition from different states that neighbor Central States, Illinois, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. So we get states such as Iowa, Missouri, Indiana has participated as well. And, you know, this is great for students because it gives them a platform to show their knowledge on wastewater treatment and to really stand out for potential employers, and really instills a passion in them that they may not necessarily have gotten just going through normal civil engineering courses or environmental engineering courses in their college career. It lets them deep dive into wastewater, into solving problems for communities, and instills a passion in them that is really remarkable for the participants and for the organization. We've been able to place amazing students in the professional world through the student design competition. I think it's really, really great what we've been able to accomplish through the Midwest Student Design Competition and formerly the Central States Student Design Competition.
It was an incredible opportunity to learn how to work on a real-world design project. The competition deliverables are almost identical to those I currently produce for work. It took a lot of effort to compete, but it's paid dividends in my career through the experience and the connections I've made. Being involved early in a water-related professional organization like Central States and WEF has put me ahead of my peers and continues to help my career. I would not be as confident as I am today if I had not competed.
This competition provides a unique opportunity to showcase the skills and the knowledge that you acquired in class to finding solutions to real-world problems in the water and wastewater industry. Also, this competition will provide access to industry leaders. You'll be able to grow and expand your network. You'll be able to learn about companies and the types of work they do, the types of projects they've worked on, and how those projects have made a real-world impact. And finally, this competition offers an opportunity to gain valuable experience in public speaking and presenting information. When you graduate and you get a job, public speaking will be very important to your career, whether you're going to a conference or presenting something at work. Being able to convey information accurately and precisely is something that employers will look for, and this competition offers a great opportunity to do so. So if all this sounds really great to you, we hope to see you at the next competition.
I think that having project experience allowed me to easily have conversations with recruiters and company representatives. Competing in the design competition and networking at the career fair led me to a full-time position in the water industry. I now work as a civil engineer for the Water Wastewater Group for Black & Veatch in Irvine, California. I encourage all of you to participate in the design competition and get involved with the Water Environment Federation, as this was one of my best experiences during my undergraduate education.
We've successfully integrated this into our capstone senior design course for environmental and civil engineers. Each spring, we have teams challenged to find low cost, easy to operate and maintain, and environmentally friendly solutions. Additionally, there are social, cultural, and aesthetic considerations. And to top it all off, the topography is often quite challenging. This has proven to be an awesome experience for our students that they find very rewarding. They're very excited about the competitive aspect, and also the nature of the projects opens their eyes to cultural, global similarities and differences. I encourage you to consider integrating the design competition into your senior design course.
So I got involved about 8 years ago. Amanda Stryker, who's still involved, approached me and said, "You really need to do this. It's good for students." And I did. And we found one student that next year that was able to compete, did very well. She was the only one on her team and actually got to go to Costa Rica. A couple years later, I had a group of 7 all female students that decided that they wanted to do it as well. And that group also got to go to Costa Rica. So the successes that they've had, the opportunities that they've had, have led to fantastic careers in the field. The contacts made were extremely valuable to those individuals.
Our firm has previously sponsored the Midwest Student Design Competition. Sponsorship offers many benefits, including getting our firm's name on banners and signs at the event, having an enhanced social media presence through the event promotion, having access to student resumes, being able to participate in judging the event, and lastly, being able to participate in the post-event career fair. We see great value in sponsorship of this event. The competition is getting bigger and better each year. It provides great value to all stakeholders.
We've heard some great testimonial from students, faculty, and sponsors alike over the course of this video, and I'm hopeful that we have provided ample justification as to why you should consider entering our competition. We look forward to continuing to grow our competition and ensuring that we continue to provide student opportunities for the future generation of our water industry. And with that, we hope to see you at the upcoming Midwest Student Design Competition. Thanks.